This is the old battered and bruised UMX Beast. Got a few more wounds here. That's not real tight, is it? Whoop! I've been drinking all night. Let's have a go. Oh, mate.